Rock.Paper.Draw.
Are you ready to draw a mermaid with me? Let's go! I'm going to start by using black marker and drawing the outline of the face, ears, eyes, little nose, and the smile. Now onto the hair. I'm starting with a fringe and adding in some eyebrows. Now to add a crown and onto drawing the mermaid's beautiful long wavy hair. I'll add in some arms and the torso, and I'll continue with some long wavy hair. Now to draw the mermaid's beautiful tail and her fin. Her fin helps her to swim through the water, and here I am adding in scales onto her fin like a fish. I'm finishing her long wavy hair now. That's the outline done. Now to paint the skin of the mermaid. Skin can be lots of different colors, but this mermaid has a light tan skin color. I am painting her face, her arms, and her torso. Adding some pale pink for her rosy cheeks and some yellow for her crown. I am choosing a light green color for her tail and a dark green color for her fin. Can you see when I blend the dark green color with the light color on her fin? Here I am adding some dots and dark green on her tail. Let's paint her hair now. A pale pink color looks fun. Let's try that. And some purple for her swimsuit. Now I have my black marker again to finish her eyes. And now I will add some little white dots and streaks on her cheeks, her hair, her tail, and her fin. And that's it. I'm all finished. Do you like it? Make sure to subscribe for more videos. And get in touch by commenting with what drawings you would like to see me do. Thanks for watching. See you next time.